On 16 September, under the initiative of Karbi Students Association, Borlangpher Head Branch, under the supervision of KSA Dipu Regional Committee, visited 3 schools at Borlangpher area under the aegis of Awareness Campaign for Quality Education Mission 2025. As a part of Richard Togby's Education Awareness Campaign for Quality Education Mission 2025, Karbi Students Association has been working sincerely and rigorously across the districts by coordinating and cooperating with the instruction given by Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Likewise, on 16 September, KSA visited Borlangpher region falling under Lumbajong constituency and made an inspection to 3 different schools. The inspection team was led by Sobjip Hangcho, President of KSA, Borlangpher Head Branch, and Mongol Tirang, Secretary of Borlangpher Head Branch, in presence of Sorosing Bey, Secretary of KSA Dipu Regional Committee. 3 schools that were inspected by KSA on 16 September are Borlangpher Tiniali LP School, Borlangpher Hemarikiling LP School, and Borlangpher Tiniali ME School. It was reported that the surveillance team went through the register of attendance for teaching staff in all respected schools. It was also informed that most of the schools are facing difficulties in teaching the children due to insufficient numbers of teaching members appointed at the school. Several basic needs like drinking water, bench and desks, classrooms, sanitary system, and many more are missing at this point of time.
Hemarikiling LP School kenang sorong mangke desk bench awe usumal arung sepang regulations nitin theklo lapen aku boundary wall awe lapen kijun lang mission awe so that mission na facility bang pinengji.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.